My name is David Davis, and I'm honored to be your instructor for this course. I've created video training on VMware vSphere since it was called ESX Server 3 when I first implemented it in a production data center and simply fell in love with the technology. VMware vSphere powers the majority of on-premises data centers in the world today, and vSphere administrators are a highly sought-after resource in the job market. With the launch of vSphere 7, VMware has unleashed a tremendous amount of innovation, so it's a great time to be learning vSphere. By the end of this course, you will have learned the vSphere architecture, vSphere additions, how to download and install ESXI and the vCenter server appliance, how to perform the initial configurations, and how to automate the entire deployment of ESXI using vSphere Auto Deploy. So buckle up, grab a beverage, and join me on this adventure into VMware vSphere 7.